Welcome to the Directors Club podcast, your go-to resource for child care center owners and directors seeking success at their centers. Each week, we dive into the world of child care management, sharing valuable tips, tools, resources, and strategies to help you build enrollment, retain top teachers, and streamline your operations. With a casual and lighthearted approach, we tackle the challenges you face from staffing and enrollment to business skills and time management. Join us as we unlock the secrets to creating a thriving child care center. Let's laugh, learn, and grow together. This is the Directors Club podcast. Hey there, it's Noelle from the Directors Club. One of my favorite things to do is offer expert-led workshops and implementation masterminds. What is that? That's when I teach on topics one day, and then we come back another day and we implement it together. We talk about how to make it work, or we're struggling with an employee not being able to get on board with it, or being held accountable so that we finally get those things done. I'm offering one that starts on February 6th. And I have come up with some topics that we're going to talk about because I've been looking at what you have been saying on my Facebook group. And so this next round of Mastermind, it starts again February 6th, and it's about unlocking more cash, establishing a consistency in your center operations, and igniting a culture of collaboration and growth within your team. And we're going to do this over 4 weeks. And how is this going to work? It's going to be a combination of virtual workshops and recordings. Everything I do, I record. If you can't make it at that time, no worries. You can watch it in the portal. You're going to get a portal that is going to be organized, that you get lifetime access to. And this is where all the recordings are. You're going to find all the resources, the tools, the templates, because you know that I am a done-for-you or make-it-your-own template kind of consultant. If I'm working with you, you're going to get the templates and the tools to do it so that it will just jumpstart your project. You don't have to start from scratch. How's it going to work? Every week, we're going to meet on Tuesday at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, starting February 6th, the whole month of February. Week one's going to be about creating your success map. You're going to learn how to organize your center's money, administration, and people tasks. I'm going to help you. The goal of this whole week is for me to help you get everything organized so you don't feel like you can't keep on top of things. And if you already have everything organized, good for you. Let's document it so that you can either grow your center. Maybe you want to take a step back from your center and you want someone else to do it. So you're going to have a plan. We're going to develop a comprehensive plan. I'm going to give you the template to do it. You just plug your stuff in. I actually have one done for you, and you can edit it if you like how I have mine laid out. It's going to make licensing easier, the inspections, observations, the whole 9 yards, so much easier. We're going to create a time plan for you so that you never fall behind again. You heard that. And I'm also going to do this with your teachers. So I'm going to give you a tool that you can use at your next staff meeting to develop a classroom management calendar so you can get consistent results out of your center. Week number 2, we're focusing on money. I'm going to help you create more cash in your child care center. Learn my number one trick that saved me $25,000 in cash each year. You heard that right. Plan ahead to secure deposits for the upcoming year. So I'm going to show you how I've already began enrolling kids for September and accepting deposits. I'm going to show you how you can do that. We're going to explore some specialty programs to keep the kids engaged over the summer. The parents don't want to drop your program. And to add brand value to your child care center. I'm going to help you elevate your child care center's brand in your community. Week number 3, we're going to talk all about administration, creating a culture of consistency. Super important. We're going to learn all about classroom reflections and how you can incorporate them in your center. And don't worry, I have all the documents for you to use this and start implementing it with your team as soon as we give them to you. I'm going to show you what we use at our center to keep things consistent. It's called a monthly center observation. It's an editable observation document of the entire center, the whole program, from the playground to the supply closets to the classrooms. And lastly, that week, I'm going to teach you the Learn 5 implementation step strategy to get any policy to stick. Why bother doing all this work if they just don't follow the policies? I'm going to show you what I've been using for the past 19 years to get policies to stick at my childcare center. Week number 4 is our final week, February 27th, where we're going to be creating a culture of collaboration at your center. That just energizes people when you have a culture of collaboration. And my friend, it helps with employee retention. The number one thing I know we all need is we're rebuilding our workforces. The first thing I'm going to teach you is my brand new staff meeting course with a fresh approach to an agenda that's going to ignite passion and create collaboration in your center. I'm going to show you how to create one checklist to create a mentor plan that's going to build leaders and classroom confidence in your team without you mentoring them. You're going to love that tip that I teach you. We're going to create a professional development plan for your childcare center that's efficient and impactful. I think you will love it because we're going to put it on the success map that you're going to do in week 1, and it's going to be on autopilot so that you are constantly mentoring your team but not having to think about it. And last but not least, some time-saving tricks to maximize the impact of all these things in your culture. So when people work with me, they know that I love to give you the tools, the resources, and the training, but the difference in our program from all the others is implementation support. What's the point of taking professional development if you're not going to put it in place, right? And if your team isn't going to be consistent. And that's my goal for you. I'm going to help you implement all this. You need ideas when you're putting things in place. And sometimes we struggle with a roadblock when we take a new professional development course. Or you just want to be held accountable so that you finally get it done. That's why we offer implementation mastermind meetings. I just went through with you 4 weeks we're meeting each week. Those are the topics. But then a few days later, we're going to meet again. That way you have time to really digest what you learned. Then you're going to come to the mastermind and we're going to talk through your strategies. You're going to, one by one, we're going to go around the room, and some people might just want to be there to listen and be held accountable. And others are going to say, okay, I got this tough cookie that won't do that. Or I'm really struggling to figure out how to get my people to use this new strategy. We're going to solve problems. We're going to hear others' ideas. We're going to connect as a community. That's so amazing. It's one of my favorite parts of a mastermind is that you not only are getting something done, but you're doing it with a group of people that you can relate to and connect to. You're going to build relationships outside your office with people that get it. To get the most out of the workshop, I highly suggest showing up for our mastermind implementations. And again, each week, a couple of days after we have a workshop, we're going to get together one more time for the implementation mastermind. And what happens is that all these dates and times and recordings, everything's recorded, is inside the portal that you get lifetime access to. Implementation isn't just about showing up for us. It's also about equipping you with the tools and resources to jumpstart your projects. Because I operate a 114 student center, I know you don't have extra time yet. In this workshop, I have handpicked systems and strategies to improve your cash flow, create more consistent operations, and ignite a culture of collaboration at your center. I'm all in to walk with you on this journey of amazing transformation for your childcare center. And again, when you enroll in our Success Map for Childcare Center Directors, and this one's all about cash, consistency, and culture, you get 4 weeks of live trainings plus the recording, 4 weeks of implementation masterminds plus the recording, access to on-demand portal with all the course materials, templates for each course topic to jumpstart implementation, a copy of our brand new magazine that I think you'll really like for additional support and training that you're going to need when I give you the staff meeting. Of course, I think you're going to love that. It's one of my faves. And you're going to get 4 implementation masterminds with the trainings, and then access to a private Facebook group. As you're working on things on your own time, plop in the questions and we're going to jump in there, give you the answers, direct you to a resource, or whatever you need to get all these things done. Again, this workshop is all about unlocking more cash, establishing consistency in your center operations, and igniting a culture of collaboration and growth. And in 4 weeks, we're going to transform your center. Because consistency is the secret sauce to a smoothly operating center. Seen it firsthand at mine. When everything runs like clockwork, it eliminates the constant barrage of questions and disruptions, allowing me to focus on what truly matters. Our center is a leader in our community, and everybody wants to sign up to bring their child to our center, which I love. Delete back to that. I want this for you too. Head to the show notes, click on the link to get to this course, and register. I can't wait to get started on February 6th. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of the Directors Club. We hope you found tips, tools, and strategies valuable for your childcare center. To access even more resources and take your center to new heights, visit our website at thedirectorsclub.net. There you'll find a wealth of exclusive content, training programs, and support tailored specifically to childcare center owners and directors. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your center's full potential. Remember, success starts here at the Directors Club.